How to fix the McDonald's app not letting me order. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of the McDonald's app not letting you place an order. So if you're having trouble ordering through the app, you're not alone. So here are several solutions to help you troubleshoot the problem. So first of all, you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, and if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to your cellular data instead, as a poor connection can prevent the app from functioning properly. Now, you can also try restarting the application. Then after, update the app. Go to Play Store or App Store according to your device and go to the search bar, search for McDonald's application. Once you find it, tap on it. And if you see an update button instead of open, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now try clearing the cache. If the app is still not working, try clearing the app cache. They can remove any temporary data that may be causing the issues. So for Android users, go to Settings, then go to Apps, and from here simply search for McDonald's application. Once you find it, tap on it, and then scroll down and go to Storage, and then click on Clear Cache and also click on Clear Data. And for iPhone users, you can go to Settings, then go to General, and go to iPhone Storage, and then click on McDonald's app and upload the app or delete the application. Now, you can also try uninstalling the application completely from your device and then reinstall it. So tap and hold the application, tap on uninstall, click on OK to confirm, and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store according to your device. So these are the simple steps to resolve the issue of McDonald's app not letting you order. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.